Woo-wee. Still going. Damn. Yeah, he's kicking. That's a good battle. That Grasshopper, he's got a lot of life. You can see his legs. But it don't matter. This spider is fucking a veteran. This spider is eating like 3 praying mantises. I feed this motherfucker every day. Woo! It's getting big. He's drinking them. Yeah, he's got to get out of there. His web's getting weak down there. Let the venom do its trick. Get back up to home base. Yep. And wait that out. Come suck him dry later. Nice. Another victory.